What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get some free stock, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Chris saying that today's video is about a Tesla update as well as two other stocks that I want to kind of touch on just to give some input to, okay? Listen, guys, I want you to hang out with me all the way to the end of this one. And listen, if I helped you in any way, whether that was help you make some money or give you a new perspective on the stock market, please make sure that you like and subscribe and join us on the journey, okay? Without further ado, let's take a look at my portfolio. Okay, guys, the market, meaning the first day of the trading year, kicked off to a crazy start, man. It was up, it was down, but mostly ended down. Listen, what happened today is nothing more than people locking in, making sure that they got their full 12 months in, guys, so that they can count it as a gain, and then they sold off to take profit. I always want you guys to know the real about what's going on in the market, okay? And so I'm going to always tell you what's happening so that you at least have the right understanding about the things that take place. And so when you saw the sell-off happen today, which is what I talked about in my first video, market sell-off, that was nothing more than some of us long-term investors, we have to hold our plays for 12 months because if you sell before 12 months, then you get taxed at a higher rate for short-term capital gains, okay? But many people hold for the full 12. Today marked the full 12, and so you saw everybody basically sell to take profits, okay? So that's all that happened today. The market will correct itself and then get back on its A game. But again, expect another pullback in the month of January. So again, I want you to be ready to pounce all over. Guys, I got a couple updates that I want to first talk to you about. Let's start with Home. Ticker symbol HOME is currently sitting at $15.77. Listen, guys, I'm going to give you some guidance, and this goes against how I normally invest, but for you, I'm going to give you this nugget, okay? Home, you guys already know I have a great bullish outlook for Home, okay? This is a 30 and beyond play. This is the Home Depot of home decor. If you don't know about this play, and if you're new around here, please go look this one up, do a little research on it, and you'll see what I'm talking about. This is another play Wall Street has slept on. However, guys, it has consolidated. Remember, I taught you the charts and I taught you about what consolidation is. It's been consolidating around 15, which is where we bought this play at, okay? Listen, if you have your position fully built out and you want to peel a little bit off to add to some of our other plays or to put into your dividend plays, right now you can do that with Home because it's in consolidation mode, meaning we can sell out of this right now and take some profit, and we can come back and still get Home at around a $15 range, okay? So I'm just giving you that nugget. Some of you may have already done this. Some of you may be contemplating what do you do with your Home play, but I'm giving you the green light. If you need to, take some profit. So if you got 125 shares, let's just break this down. You can sell 100 and keep 25, okay? You can reverse it and sell 25 and keep 100. Either way is cool, okay? However, we will know when to get back into this. I'll give guidance on when to get back in this, when the run up is going to start again and it heads to $30, okay? So guys, just know that that's an idea to consider so that you can free up some cash, aka your buying power, so that you can get into some of these other plays that we're going to be talking about as we kick off this 100K challenge. Next, I got to show NIO some love. I talk to hundreds of you. Really, I'm being humble, man. It's more like thousands of you a week. And I know what I told you guys about NIO. And so I know where some of you got NIO. For those of you that didn't get NIO with me at 7, it's okay. I told you you can get this at 40 and that this will go to 55. I told you if you don't get it at 40, you can get it at 43 or 45, and that this will go to 55, then eventually 65, okay? My word is golden, and I'm gonna always tell you guys the right advice, okay? And so look at today. NIO is sitting at $53. It got as high as $54. I told you this would go to 55. We got NIO Day coming up. This is not even my video for NIO for this week, but I wanted to highlight this because I know thousands of you that I talked to directly are in this play and was hoping that it went back to 55. Some of you bought it at 50, some of you bought it at 47. So basically just sending love out to you guys because I know some of you guys are up pretty big. And last but not least is Tesla. Guys, you already know I rock heavy with Elon Musk, and As a result, one way you show if you rock with somebody is by being an investor of that company, okay? And so Tesla, you guys know we had this since 80 and again since 150, okay? So again, I'm super proud of him. I told everybody and their mom that after the split, Tesla will be a $715 play. Let's go look at where Tesla did today. Sure enough, it opened as a low. The low was 717 and it went as high as 744. My point being, guys, is again, when you know what you know, and nothing you can do about that, man. I told you, I knew Elon Musk would execute, and I knew where the stock would go once he hit his numbers, okay? And so listen, guys, those of you that's in Tesla, I want to celebrate you. I want to congratulate you, okay? For those of you that are in it though, determine if this is a long-term play or a short-term play, okay? It's important that you know where this play stands, because now that it hit this, it's going to experience some volatility, meaning it's going to come back down. Those of you that want to get in this, again, consider 689 or below, okay, when it comes back down. And then you'll have a chance to, again, get you some more shares of this and then ride this back up to 744. I just want to give some love and show some love to all you in Tesla and tell you guys, you got to have your runners. This is one of them. Up next, guys, is our word of the day, and our word of the day is weekly option plays. Listen, I wanted to touch on this because this is a product that I have as part of my website. It's part of something that I offer you guys so that you can join me in what I do on a weekly basis, okay? However, I just wanted to talk about it just briefly because I think clarity always helps, okay? And that's all I want to do is make sure that you guys have the right guidance and the right information regarding the weekly option plays. Listen, guys, and hear me clearly. The weekly option plays are just that. They are weekly. I don't know what weekly means to you, but weekly to me means 1 week, okay? Weekly. And so the option plays that I do are weekly. I come up for myself with weekly option plays that I researched that I'm going to do. And so I'm willing to share those with you all, okay? There's no issue. However, they are just for that particular week, okay? It's not ongoing. It's not I do all this work and then you guys just get unlimited options for the whole 2021, okay? That's not how that goes. And so in case that was the thought for some people, I know I got thousands of you guys and I only have 1 or 2 people that got it confused. However, in case someone is thinking that, they are weekly, meaning 1 week at a time. So when you pay for your weekly option play, I'm going to send you up to 2. Sometimes it's going to be 1, but most likely I'm going to give you guys 2. That's just me showing you guys some love. I'm going to give you most likely 2 option plays for that 1 week. And those option plays will do you a good service as long as you play them right, all right? But then if you want another option play, you would come back whatever week you want. When it can be the week after, it can be every 2 weeks. You just simply pay again for that week's option play. It's the weekly option play, okay? So I'm hoping that this is giving some better clarity to what I think is already clear. But in case it's not, the weekly option play is for 1 week. You pay, you get 1 week worth of options. That equals 2 option plays. I give you the strike price, I give you the expiration date, as well as a ticker symbol, okay? And then when you want another one, you simply send me your payment for the next week, and then I'll send you what I'm in for that week as well. It's just that simple, guys. I hope that was helpful. Next up, we have our question of the day, and our question of the day comes from PRS Fan SC. 2020 me, panic sell. 2021 me, buy the dip. Man, I had to highlight this. I love your growth, man. I love each and every one of you guys' growth that I see on a daily basis. Again, I'm probably one of the few people that jump in the comments, aka the VIP section. I come in my comments VIP section every video and I mix it up with you guys outside of having to get around the scammers. And again, I hear and see the growth, okay? And that just makes me so proud of so many of you, because that's letting me know that you guys are listening, applying what's being taught, applying what you're watching every day. Because if you learn those things, I'm telling you, a millionaire is made through patience. That's all you have to have in this game. Don't panic sell, don't freak out. And if you can master those things, man, I'm trying to tell you, you will have long-term success in the stock market, okay? It will help you lead a corporate plantation. It will set you and your family up for success down the road. You will set your kids up even better so they can be better off than you were. The whole 9 yards, guys. And so I just love this. I came across this in the comments today. 2020 panic sell, 2020 buy the dip, man. That's the type of mindset. That's the type of transformational mindset that I want all of you guys on this journey to adopt over time. Listen, guys, if you have questions or comments, leave them below. I'll grab them and add them to my next video. Listen, I make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below. And I'll see you all in the next one.